We should be seeing our spacewalkers, and there's our first view at the bottom of your screen.
And Duke, I got the lock bag, integrated hook on 3420. V1 has mini workstation red on fuse 1 J3.
You have a go to demate fuse 1 from J3, about 5 seconds till handover.
V1.
And a view from one of the external cameras on the truss of the station, looking at Joe Acaba as he sets up his work site at the end of the Canadarm2 robotic arm, clearly in the field of view. The removal of thermal insulation from a main bus switching unit and the tie down of some of that insulation on a direct current switching unit will more easily prepare those spare parts for future use for robotic replacement of any such component that would fail on the space station. There is no replacement work currently contemplated involving a main bus switching unit or a direct current switching unit. This is simply preparatory work in the event a robotic removal and replacement of either of those two spare parts would be required in the future.
Gentlemen, I think I can get the TFR in from this position.
This is the third spacewalk in Acaba's career, the first two coming 8.5 years ago during the STS-119 mission, an assembly flight to the International Space Station aboard the shuttle Discovery. You're looking at Joe Acaba along the starboard truss of the International Space Station, where he has installed a portable foot restraint. He'll resume his work momentarily. The reconfiguration of cables to demate a pan and tilt unit cable on the camera port 3 location on the lower outboard portion of the starboard truss that will enable him to install an enhanced high definition camera at camera port 3 for future use.
Removing the your waist tether still locked. Lock your waist tether there.
Okay, Joe, that completed the maneuver to the truss back-off position. We're setting up for the joint OCAS.
Copy.
A good view of Joe Acaba well into his third spacewalk of his career in the articulating portable foot restraint at the end of the station's robotic arm.